SkyALERT Weather with Chief Meteorologist Gary Frank.
Desert Doppler showing that thin line that is the cold front moving on through, and that's what we're seeing to bring our temps down just a little bit and pick our winds up. Overnight we only got down to 72 in Imperial, 74 in El Centro, 70 right on the mark in Yuma, 72 in Quartzsite. About 10 degrees cooler at this time. Big difference versus yesterday, and our currents in the middle 80s have come down a couple of degrees throughout the area. Still 91 in Yuma, and throughout the rest of the evening expect 88 to 92, a few clouds around, and west wind of 15 to 20, gusting to 30 at times. As we look at our dew points, they've picked up a little bit. It's been fairly dry, but this is the noticeable area, especially in Mexicali, 18, and that is coming down. We're going to see more dry air work into the area with a 23 mile per hour southwest breeze in Imperial, with west winds at 18 miles per hour, and our winds are going to stay fairly strong. As I mentioned, 28 in Imperial. Our winds are going to now gust in Yuma, and they're going to continue to do so throughout the rest of the evening. Red flag warning until 8 p.m. tonight, and that's because of very dry conditions, as I mentioned, but they're not quite as dry as we've seen in other red flag warning days, but we want to keep that in mind. And windcast shows that they'll calm down overnight and Wednesday and Thursday. But by Friday, we pick right back up again ahead of another system that's actually going to bring our temps down considerably. You heard me mention the word 70. Well, we'll be at that in no time tomorrow. 82 already at noon, 88. But down the roads when we're going to see our high temps at 70. 67 to begin our day in Yuma, 84 at noon, and 89 degrees with a west wind, northwest wind at 10 to 15. Here's this initial system. You can see the cold front lining right there, providing some severe weather, actually in Wyoming and Montana. But as we look at this right here, dropping all the moisture into the Four Corners region and further northward, for us, we're just going to see mild air and breezes. Actually, mild air. Hard to believe that we're actually going to see that. But here, this low pressure drops this furthest south that we've seen one in quite some time, with a cold front that's actually stronger this time than the one we're just getting now, which is more of a cool front, and it'll bring our temps down considerably as a result. Average high is 88 in Imperial Valley, and we're just right about on it for Wednesday. 80, it's then 92 on Thursday as well as Friday. But look, pair of sevens for the weekend, but breezy, of course, as we often see that. But breezy Friday and Saturday, 82 on Sunday. Very nice, clearing out, cooling and drying, warming right back up. And then over the next 7 days in Yuma, you'll see our average high is near 90, and we're right about it for the next couple of days. And then we just plummet down to 78. Seemingly out of nowhere. Powerful cold front dropping us down there, and then 83 on Sunday as we warm back up, and it's going to be very warm next week. We turn the corner. So if you're a fan of this cooler air, enjoy it. If not, just wait till next week. Back to you.